Are you experiencing random uninstallation of games on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Verify game installation. When games are randomly getting uninstalled from your device, verify the game installation. To check that, go to the library on your PlayStation 5. Find the game that was deleted and check if it's still listed. Reinstall the game if it's missing from the PlayStation App Store and then check. Method 2. Verify the game's compatibility. When games are automatically uninstalling on your PS5 console, confirm that the game is compatible with the PS5. You can find this information on the game's official website or the PlayStation Store. Game developers typically provide detailed system requirements and compatibility details on their websites. When exploring or buying games on the PlayStation Store, look for compatibility information on the game's page. Search for any notes or tags indicating the game works with the PS5. Method 3. Check for software updates. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Outdated system version can also cause the game to get uninstalled. To update the system software, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 4. Test offline mode. The next thing you can do is test the game in offline mode. Turn off your internet connection. For that, unplug the Ethernet cable or disable Wi-Fi. Restart your PlayStation 5 and check if the game remains installed. Reconnect to the internet and observe if the issue persists. Testing offline mode can help diagnose if the issue is related to your internet connection. By turning off your internet connection and checking if the game remains installed, you can determine if the problem is caused by network issues. Reconnecting to the internet and observing if the issue persists helps confirm whether the problem is resolved offline or if it's a different issue altogether. Method 5. Use external storage. Connect an external USB drive to your PlayStation 5. Move the game installation to the external storage. Check if the game remains intact on the external storage. Method 6. Contact PlayStation Support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, contact PS Support. Visit the PlayStation Support website or contact Customer Service. Explain the issue in detail, including any patterns or specific games affected. Keep track of any further occurrences of game deletion. Report back to PlayStation Support with any new information. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when games are uninstalling from your PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.